Mickey. We can't sing with these hiccups. Other hiccups. So we can all sing. Come on, everybody. Uh-oh.
Let's go get some mouse-tools.
Now we can get rid of our hiccups.
Uh-oh. Minnie still has the hiccups. Daisy still has the hiccups.
I know how to make hiccups go away. Uh-huh. Okay, but first, I need to tap the hiccup poker with me, everybody.
Ooh, a tasty, crunchy apple.
Save me!
Where'd he go?
Your hiccups were the...
Oh, this time Loopy's got the hiccups.
Oh, now it's Loopy. I'm sure I stopped your hiccups.
You really scared us.
Oh, Loopy has the hiccups now.
Oh, what was that? Loopy has them now?
Are you okay, Loopy?
Think.
You're not gonna scare me with that. Come on, what is wrong with you?
Haha, we got you. April Fool.
You scared me half to death, you two. Hey, come on, we were just joking. Great joke.
Way to go. You ended up giving the hiccups to her. Done that.
They're back.
Katya, you gotta try holding your breath. Hold it, hold it.
I can't anymore.
Well, did they stop?
Ah! Someone told me if you have hiccups, someone's thinking about you right now.
You're right. But who?
Mom?
Guess not.
Your dad. Not him.
Chusaka. For real, Chusaka. No lick. Sorry. The chameleon?
Maybe my teacher? Santa Claus? In April?
All right. We need a different method. Nolik, why aren't you helping? Do you know anything we can try? Of course I know. You need to jump up and down on one leg and count while you're doing it.
What?
Nice try there. And think of something yourself. All right, we'll try your method.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How long should I count?
I didn't figure that out yet.
You mean you just came up with this idea?
But look, your hiccups are gone.
You're right. Aw, thanks, Nolik. You saved the day.
I heard that once there was this guy, he had the hiccups for 100 years. And was it the poor old guy's friends who scared him?
An idea. You need to eat something really sour. Do you have a lemon? Thanks. Why don't you eat it first? Why would I? You got the hiccup. It's all because of you and your stupid trick.